Tesla is one of the largest manufacturers for electric cars in today's age because of the technical advancements that they have been able to accomplish. In fact, in recent studies, not even studies, in the recent tests that they need to be qualified, they perform 9 times better than all other gas vehicles when compared to front end collision pull test. Same thing, they perform 50% better than all other vehicles in the rollover test regarding their safety. Now, in cost efficiency, for a luxury vehicle, it's relatively cheap, as their second to latest model, the Model S, came out as $35,000, while you would get a standard base luxury vehicle for $60,000 gas wise. Now, concerning safety, the braking system has been ranked poor because they use kinetic energy to reverse the wheels as you hit the braking system, so it recharges the battery while slowing the vehicle down. But this is not the strongest braking system, so it was ranked poorly as compared to a full-size pickup truck. Now, it offers many functions, and one of the most popular is the autopilot function. This autopilot function can be helpful, but it can also be dangerous because the vehicle is full of sensors and cameras all around it that help it register other vehicles around it and the lines of which the lane that the vehicle resides in. And so if one of these sensors were to stop working, it can no longer register the lines that you were in. So if you are in the autopilot function, then it may mess the software up and cause an accident. Now, if you take a look at this chart right here, regarding driver fatalities per million vehicle years, all German and all luxury in general were ranked at stand at about 12 to 14 million, while Tesla is at a whopping 42 million. This is about a 25 million difference between the three. Now, regardless of the downsides, it's still considered one of the safest and most reliable vehicles on the road. One of the many features it offers is because it's electric, it's like an iPhone. It can be sent a software update and be updated automatically instead of a standard gas car being taken in and being changed for parts and getting new parts added or fixed. So it's relatively a lot less maintenance than other vehicles. It was also ranked the best value and best luxury car by Kelley Blue Book as of this year in May 2020. Now, because it's electric, it charges instead of takes gas. So at the average charging station, it takes about an hour for a Tesla to reach a full charge. This may seem kind of inconvenient compared to a gas vehicle pulling up and taking 5 minutes to load their gas tank and then they're gone. So, but in the long run, it really helps because the Tesla offers 105 miles per gallon compared to the standard gas vehicle, which averages 28 miles per gallon. And because of this, there are also less charging stations than there are gas stations around the US, but as Tesla increases, so will the charging stations. If you take a look at this map right here, it shows you, this tells you how many charging stations there are in each state, as most of them reside in California because they're trying to go eco-friendly. Now, if you also take a look at this, on the top it says the total number of chargers, and on the bottom the percent of fast chargers. Now, fast chargers, or aka superchargers, are what will take your car, or what will charge the Tesla in about an hour. Now, Tesla is constantly evolving, coming up with so many new features that other vehicles cannot compare with. One of these is the Bioweapon Defense Air Filtration System, which is relatively 100 times larger than the standard air system in a gas vehicle. And they can accomplish this because they have less parts inside the hood to work with, so they can put a bigger air filter in, which is said to stop 99.97% of air pollutants, which is good for the vehicle, the environment, and for the driver as well. And because Tesla is constantly evolving, it's staying at the charts because it's not just coming up with the ideas, it's the only one performing the ideas, along with patenting most of its advancements, such as its most famous cell battery. And because of this, other vehicles and other brands cannot use this without Tesla's permission. It offers features that no other vehicle offer, like the bioweapon air filtration system, an autopilot function, and it's an overall green vehicle. It's showing the auto industry, Tesla is showing the auto industry what they should be doing in the next upcoming years and setting an example for them. And this is why Tesla is going to stay at the top of the charts as a role model for all the other auto companies.